Let's see.
Hi, my name is Zach. I gotta cook chicken curry, and my mom is gonna help me.
What do I need to do?
You have to take all the skin out.
Yes.
This. There we go.
Okay, let's do this.
Open. Can I cut it? Now? Now?
Be careful.
Okay. It's easy to cut. One more.
Careful with your hands.
Easy. This is so easy. Oh. Okay. Hi, my name is Zach. I'm cooking chicken curry, and look what I got. I have all this food, and I got ginger, garlic,
Onion.
and onion, and carrots, and yellow pepper, and potato, and I got chicken, and I got pepper, and I got salt, and I got
Curry.
curry. I got curry. I got curry pepper. I got curry pepper.
And then this one.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. And there's even coconut milk. And look what's cooked. But we're gonna see you later. Bye. I'll be back. We're gonna start cooking.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So just show it now.
Oh, oil.
We need to.
We need to put a lot.
Not really.
Just a little bit. I just gotta spread it. I gotta spread it.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah, pindutin mo.
First, fry the.
Fry the carrot. Yeah. Now it's cooking.
Wait, put it in the middle. What is this?
Potato.
Don't worry, it's not gonna splatter. That's not
Then, what's next? What is this?
Oh, ginger. Again!
Next will be, what is that? What is that?
Onion.
You hold it here like this. And then but be careful because that's correct. What is this?
Onion! Oh, garlic!
What's it called?
Yeah. Taking the hot thing out. Let's do pieces.
Be careful, huh? Good job, baby. You ready to put the chicken in?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. Just hold
Wait, I
it.
have to mix it a little bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna put. What is this?
Chicken!
Okay, be careful with me.
Covering the... It's covering the hot thing. It's my dye. A little bit.
No, don't open it.
Just a little bit. I know, but...
No, we wait for it to. Is that your favorite?
Yeah, but look, we need some. We need everything we got there.
Okay, no, we need to put first the salt. Put some salt.
Hey, more?
And then pepper.
Yes.
much. That's sulit, baby.
Hey, that's too much. Mix it. I said don't put it too much. This was the star of the show.
So what is it?
Curry powder.
Okay. Then that-
No, I can put it. It's okay.
Pag sinabi mo rin sa silver mo na, I'll see you later. Alis siya.
Enough?
That's it. Enough.
So, I'll see you later.
Wait, we'll just mix it first.
See you later. Bye. See you later.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
We're gonna go do it again.
What's next? What's next?
The coconut. The coconut nut is a giant nut.
What's this?
We get very fast.
Go down. That's just good for you. Sports, you.
Can I mix it?
Yes.
I can see the blood of the chicken. Look,
It's gonna be
a blood chicken.
Don't say that.
I don't want to see a blood.
It needs to be cooked thoroughly. You mix it.
Again, I gotta just get some milk so I can put it.
We're gonna what?
Mix
Let it mix it first and then let it
Chop.
simmer.
Simmer again?
Yes.
Simmer means.
Simmer.
Oh, simmer. We're gonna simmer it. Bye. We're gonna see you later again.
A few moments later.
Hi. I'm back.
Okay.
We finished
Let's
cooking
check.
now.
Let's check.
I check. Woo! Woo! What about that?
Okay, this one, that's the last one. Okay, what are you gonna put?
This one again. We're gonna put this back.
And then mix it. Yeah, mix it. Plain, just mix.
Yoo-hoo! Just put it in. No, it's okay. I can do that. Done.
Then mix it. Careful, okay?
Why I have to put the chili there?
The pepper.
I have to put that there.
Because it's soft, baby, so you put it last.
Why I have to put the last one?
Because it's soft.
Why does
You don't have to make it.
We're
Okay,
good.
tell them. Go.
We're gonna wait for a few minutes, then it's gonna be done.
Okay.
Bye. We'll see you later again.
A few moments later.
Back. Hi.
Wait.
I'm back. Like this.
Ooh.
Papa! Papa!
Okay, now you taste. Okay, wait a second, baby. Let's taste. Wait. I'll just put it. But you have to blow it.
Blow it, please. Nice? No, it's so hot.
No, it's not. Okay. Zachariah approve?
Again.
Taste this.
No.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, blow it. Let me blow it. Okay. What is it?
Zachariah approve. It's very nice and very good.
Delish.
Delicious.
Look at that. Did you make all that? Do that.
Give a thumbs up. Thanks
for watching.
Thanks for watching my cook.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And we're gonna cook again. Bye.